In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove grid lines and dividers in Tableau. Let's dive right in to make your data visualization clean and distraction-free. First things first, let's open the Tableau public app. If you're new to Tableau, this app is an excellent starting point for your data visualization needs. Once it's open, go ahead and access your worksheet. Now that you have your worksheet up, it's time to set up your view. Drag both the category and subcategory dimensions to your row shelf. This placement will help you organize your data in a structured manner. Next, find the sales field in your data pane and drag it over to the columns shelf. This action will display your sales data in a clear, visual form, making it easier to interpret. After setting up your data visualization, you're probably noticing those grid lines and dividers cluttering your view. Not to worry, right-click anywhere on your worksheet and select the Format option. This opens up a formatting pane on the left side of your screen where you can make several key decisions about the appearance of your data visualization. In this pane, you'll notice a series of icons along the top. The one you're looking for is the borders icon. Give that a click. This is where you have control over the lines that frame your data. Now focus your attention on the Sheet tab where you'll locate the row and column dividers section. You can make your data stand out by eliminating unnecessary dividers. Simply select the option None for both row and column dividers in the Format pane. This action will remove the extra grid lines from around your data cells, creating a cleaner look. Next, we'll tackle the grid lines. There's a lines icon present, which you can click on. Once again, you return to the formatting options, but this time specifically for lines. Look under the Sheet tab here, where you'll set the grid lines option to None. This step will help you achieve an even smoother look for your visualization. For the final touch, go over to the Rows tab. In this area, you'll find options to adjust both the grid and zero lines. Select None for these options as well. This eliminates any additional lines that might disrupt the overall flow of your data presentation. And there you have it. Your Tableau worksheet should now be free from grid lines and dividers, offering a more polished and professional appearance. With these steps complete, enjoy the newfound clarity in your data visualization, making it easier for you and your audience to focus on what's truly important, the data itself. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to come back for more tutorials designed to enhance your Tableau skills.